hi. What's up, guys? I posted a video and a lot of you guys were asking about my exhaust setup. So I just showed you the startup. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go on the road and I'm going to show you a flyby video and a couple other videos of the exhaust. So the exhaust I have on the truck is AFE 4-inch exhaust with a 5-inch tip. I'll go ahead and show you guys kind of what it looks like. Looks good, it's real beefy. There's the tip. It's got a resonator on it. A little dirty right now, but all in all it sounds pretty good. When you go to install this exhaust, you want to do it on a lift. If you don't do it on a lift, you're gonna have to cut your stock exhaust off.